Welcome back as we explore this premium 2-in-1 reclining camping chair designed for ultimate outdoor comfort. It features a detachable footrest and an adjustable backrest that tilts from 90 to 140 degrees easily. The heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced X-shaped design can safely support up to 300 pounds. High-strength breathable Oxford fabric and a soft padded headrest provide incredible support for your entire body. You also get a convenient built-in cup holder and a side pocket for your favorite small items. This lightweight chair weighs only 10 pounds and folds into a compact bag for effortless travel and storage. It is the perfect companion for camping, fishing, beach trips, or simply lounging in your sunny backyard. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.